Welcome to the Nabhamitra Android application walkthrough video presented by Avintel Limited. In this video we are going to guide you through the features of Nabhamitra, which is designed to enhance the safety and connectivity of Indian fishermen at sea.
Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Nabhamitra and tap the search enter button. From the results, select the app published by Exponder, Avintel Limited. Tap install and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, you'll find the Nabhamitra app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Please ensure your Exponder unit is powered on by checking the power LED on the indoor unit. Locate the Nabhamitra app and tap to open it. Grant all necessary permissions to ensure the application operates successfully. Select the required language and tap on it. Please enter your 6-digit PIN and click on Login. When you first open the application, you'll notice there are no connections available. To connect, go to your Wi-Fi settings and select the Exponder SSID. Once connected, the indicators turn green, confirming a successful link. You'll also see your terminal ID and the allocated slot displayed on the screen. At the top of the home page, you'll find the connection indicators. The hub link shows the satellite connection status. GPS link indicates whether the device has a valid GPS fix. The Wi-Fi icon shows the link between your phone and the Exponder unit. Battery reflects the Exponder's current power level. And finally, the slot indicator shows whether a communication slot has been allocated or not. The home page gives a quick status of the system and fast access to safety tools and information. The Emergency tab lets you send predefined SOS alerts instantly, for example, fire on boat, man overboard, repair in boat, boat drowning, or medical help needed. Alerts tab collect all system messages, advisories, and alerts for quick review. Use messages to send and receive text with the control center and other users via the Exponder satellite link. With T2T messaging, terminals can send and receive messages directly between each other, ensuring quick and reliable communication at sea. The PFZ panel shows potential fishing zones, areas where fish are likely to concentrate, and helps plan productive trips. Weather cards show forecast and safety alerts. The Weather tab provides live updates and forecasts from IMD, along with important safety alerts and warnings. This helps you plan your journey and stay safe at sea. The E-commerce tab connects you to marketplace services, buy supplies, access offers, or list catch for sale, all from within the app. In case of an emergency, press the specified emergency button in the emergency section of the dashboard. A countdown will begin, and once it ends, an emergency alert will automatically be sent to the hub for immediate response. In case of any emergency at sea, such as high tides or other dangers, the hub immediately sends an emergency alert to your mobile, keeping you informed and safe. The Alerts History section keeps track of all your notifications in one place, from PFZ alerts, weather alerts, and broadcast messages to emergency notifications and even the alerts you send. Every detail is recorded with date, time, and status so you stay informed and in control at all times. In the message screen, you can send messages to the hub in English or your own language. Each message shows single and double ticks to indicate delivery and read status. You can also expect replies directly from the hub, making communication simple and reliable. In the T2T message screen, you can chat directly with a specific terminal by entering its terminal ID. Messages show single and double tick indicators for both sending and receiving, making communication between terminals clear and reliable. The PFZ map highlights potential fishing zones for better catch planning. By clicking on a PFZ marker, you can view the distance and suggested route. You can also enter a radius to instantly find fishing zones within your selected range. This helps you plan efficient and productive trips. The weather map displays zones in multiple colors for easy understanding. By clicking on a weather zone, you can view a snippet with detailed focus data. The app provides two types of forecasts, sea weather and coastal weather, to ensure you have the right information whether you are offshore or near the coast. The e-commerce tab lets you explore available fish listings. You can search by fish name, view the net type used, check the weight, and see the listed price. Finally, you can place your bid directly in the app, making the marketplace simple and efficient. In the Map tab, you can track your boat's live location. Cable routes are displayed as red polygons, and if you enter their range, the system will generate a no longer zone alert to protect the cable lines. This page also provides live cyclone visibility whenever active. By long pressing on the map, you can save any location for future use. In My Places, you'll find all the locations saved from the Map tab. You can view, edit, or delete them anytime, making it easier to revisit important spots during future trips. The Harbors section shows a list of all nearby harbors. By selecting one, you can see its distance and route, along with your boat's current position. In My Route, you can review all completed routes by selecting a date range. If no route data exists for that period, the system clearly indicates that no records are available. The GPS location tab shows your boat's live position with exact latitude and longitude details. The Compass tab provides a real-time compass display to help you navigate and stay oriented at sea. Here, you can change the app language to the one most convenient for you. In the Customer Support section, select your state to view customer details like name, address, mobile number, and email ID. In Profile settings, you can update or change your app login PIN. The Help section provides user manuals in 10 languages. Choose your preferred language to read the guide. Tap Logout to securely exit from the app.